Today we're going to be taking a quick look at this Honda Pioneer 1000 Limited Edition with a few accessories thrown on it. Now this won't be a deep dive video where we review the unit itself, this is just going to be us going over some of what you can do to these machines. And if you like this style of video, please let me know and we'll cover more modified units like this in the future. Also, if you like any of the products you see here, I'll have links down in the description with more info when it comes to options, pricing, and so on. The first and probably the most noticeable is going to be the wheel and tire package. This unit normally comes with Honda's upgraded 14-inch wheels and 4-ply 27-inch Maxxis Bighorn 2.0 tires, but those were swapped out in favor of these 14-inch Frontline 556 wheels finished in stealth black. Those wheels are wrapped in a set of 8-ply 28-inch Interco Bogger Super Swamper tires that are quite a bit more aggressive than the factory setup, needless to say. The next aftermarket item on this unit is mounted up on the hardtop, and it's a 32-inch Quad Boss double row LED light bar for when it gets dark and the factory halogen or upgraded LED lights aren't enough. That ties us into the next item, and also everything else from here on are all Honda genuine or Honda signature accessories. The next one is the hardtop and the most popular roof option from Honda, and that comes in at $498 unless you opt for the newer gray underside to brighten up the interior a little bit, and then it bumps you up to $565. Then we move over to the two-piece Poly Windshield, and you have an option of choosing between the optical at $537, which you don't want, or the hard coat finish at $638. In the two-piece version, you can open them up to get some air flowing through the machine. Then we have the last piece closing in the interior, and it helps keep dust from blowing back in the rear of the machine and driving you crazy, and that's the hard rear panel that gives you a little sliding window on the back too. And you also have two options here, just like the roof. You can choose between the black interior at $542 or upgrade to the gray interior at $623. Then we have the last interior piece, but probably one of the most commonly forgotten items until you get out and ride, and then it hits you. A rear view mirror would be nice. It uses mounts similar to the roof and is our cheapest item at only $95. And while on the topic of mirrors, another item you don't realize just how much you use until it's not there, and that's side mirrors. Honda's setup comes in at $139, and they can still be used if you add the accessory hard doors that they recently updated too. And last but not least, we have the Warren winch setup through Honda that comes with a VRX 45, giving you 4,500 pounds of pulling force for $485. And then for an easy plug and play installation, you have Honda's winch mount kit at $315. And that's it for all of the modifications done to this Pioneer 1000 Limited Edition. What do you guys think about the way this unit was set up? Is there anything you would have done differently? Also, would you guys like to see me highlight more units that have been modified like this so you can get ideas on what to do with yours or just what's possible with certain models? Oh, and don't forget we have the new 2022 Honda Pioneer 1000, 2022 Talon 1000, and 2022 Pioneer 700 models being announced in the next couple of weeks, so keep an eye out for that update. And let me know what you guys think on everything down in the comments section, and I'll be joining in on the conversation too. But that's a wrap for this one. Thanks again for watching and supporting all of this. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one. I want to take a quick second and say thank you to Southern Honda Power Sports for opening their doors to me and allowing me to come pick through their inventory for these videos. They are a massive Honda Power Sports dealer here in Chattanooga, Tennessee, with tons of inventory from new Hondas to used Harleys and everything in between that they sell to people from all over the USA. So check out the link in the description below and head over to their website to see if they can save you some money on your next toy.